All right. Hello and welcome back to today's class. Our task today is to continue our series from where we stopped. So in our previous class, we talked about the derivative of logarithm function. We are done with that. So let's continue from the derivative of exponential functions. So exponential functions. What if I were asked to find the derivative of a to power x? This is a very good example of exponential function. If you're asked to find the derivative of y equals a to power x, how would you find this? First of all, you need to apply log base e to both sides. Apply log base e to both sides. Now, if you apply log base e to both sides, what will happen? This power here will come down from logarithm. So from here, we know that this is log y base e equals x log a base e, right? So from here, let's differentiate. We know that if we differentiate log y base e, we'll have that 1 all over y. Then you add the y all over the x from implicit differentiation. So that whenever we differentiate with respect to y, we add the y dx. But if we are differentiating with respect to x, we don't add the y dx. It's when we are differentiating with respect to y from implicit differentiation. If we have x squared plus y squared equals maybe 1. So if we differentiate this, we have 2x plus differentiate with respect to y. We treat y as a constant. So if whenever we differentiate y, we do what? We add the y, the x. So this becomes 2y, then we say the y all over the x equals differentiate a constant, it becomes 0. We keep y as a constant. So when differentiating implicit differentiation, you keep y as a constant and add the y dx. All right, so let's go. So from here we have log y base e. When we differentiate log y base e with respect to y, we have 1 over y, then you add the y dx. So from here, if you differentiate this, x is gone. We have only log a base e. So let's multiply y to both sides. If we multiply y to both sides, we have the y here, 1 over y, then the y all over the x equals y log a base e. Log a base what? Base e. So from here, if we work on, you see that y here can cancel out y, and we have the y all over the x equals y log a base e. So from here, we have that our y was what? Y was equals what? A to power x. So a to power x log a base e. So this is the derivative of y equals a to power x. So if we differentiate y equals a to power x, we have that a to power x log a base e. All right, so what if we are asked to find the derivative of e to power x? So the same method, apply log base e to both sides. Log base e to both sides. So this power here is coming downward here. So this becomes what? Log y base e equals x log what? Base e base e. Base e base e. So from here, we differentiate 1 over y, we have 1. If we differentiate y, we have 1 over y. Then add the y. Then add what? The y all over the x equals, we differentiate this, we have only log e base e. So what happened next? Let's multiply y to both sides. If we multiply y to both sides, we have that y equals 1 all over y, the y all over the x equals y multiplied by log e base e. So y here can cancel out y. Y there can cancel out what? Y. So from here, how do we solve this from here? We know that this is the y all over the x. The y by the x equals, our y was what? Remember, it was e to power x. So here we can put e to power x, and log e base e is 1. So the y all over the x equals e to power x. And this is the right answer. So therefore, if we differentiate e to power x, we still have e to power x. All right, so what if we are asked to find the derivative of this exponential function, a to power 2x? This exponential function. So first of all, our normal rule, add log base e to both sides. log base e to both sides. So this power is coming down from logarithm, because when the log is raised to the power used to multiply the log. So it becomes log y base e equals 2x log what? A base e. All right, let's go. So from here, if we differentiate this, we have that 1 all over y, 1 all over y, then the y all over the x. But when you differentiate, you add the y dx. So from here, if we differentiate this, we have 2 log a base e. 2 log a base e. So from here, we find out that we can multiply y to both sides. If we multiply y to both sides, we have that y multiplied by 1 all over y, then multiplied by the y dx equals 2 multiplied by y log a base e. So from there, what do? Y can cancel out y, and the y by the x equals 2. Our y was what? A raised by 2x log a base e. So therefore, our final answer becomes 2 raised by 2x log a base e. And this is our final answer. So therefore, if we differentiate a exponential, this exponential function a raised by 2x, we have 2 multiplied by a raised by 2x log a base e. All right, so what if we are given the next one to differentiate y equals this exponential function a raised by sine x? What do we do? What do we do? First of all, apply log base e to both sides as we usually do. A raised by sine x base e. That's what we should do first. Now this power here is coming downward now. So we have log y base e equals sine x log a base e. All right, so from here, how do we finish this? We know that if we differentiate this, we have 1 all over y, the y all over the x equals, if we differentiate sine x, we have cos x log a base e. All right, so from here, we'll multiply y to both sides. Multiply y to both sides, the y all over the x equals cos x log a base e. But we are multiplying y to both sides, so add y there. So y here can cancel out y, and we have the y all over the x equals y cos x log a base e. All right, so from here we know that the y by the x equals, our y was what? A raised by sine x cos x log a base e. So our final answer becomes cos x a raised by sine x log a base e, and this is our final answer. All right, let's take the next question. Let's take the next question. All right. Whew. So what if we are asked to find this y equals exponential tan x? What will be the answer? Please, I would like you to solve this problem and give me your answer there in the comment section. I would like to see your approach to this question. Thanks for watching this video. Do want to like, comment, and share this video. Have a nice day.